So yeah, I'm going to be using the Ace Beaute Mystic Romance. That's what it looks like. And on the inside it has a nice mirror and the words "You are beautiful." And these are the shades. So my eyes are already ready. I already did my eyebrows. I got my primers on, eye primers on. So let's go ahead and get started. Peeling that off the mirror. I have my brushes. I always like to have several fluffy brushes. One with this dome shape and one with this flat shape. So let's get busy. So it's hard for me to decide because it's not, you know, doesn't have really browns in here. All right, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna go in my crease with Rose. Picking it up with this fluffy brush. It does have a little bit of the kick up, but not a lot. All right, let's get started. Just tapping it on to build up the color. It is pretty. And it's building up really nicely. All right, look like those are about even. Now I'm gonna go in maybe I'll use that lighter shade. That's kind of light. I'm gonna try it to blend this out. Not too much, but just some to blend this out. Oh, that's a little light. All right, now we're gonna go in with Haze. Let's go in with Haze to do the outer V. Using this brush. Tap, tap. That one has a little bit more dust up than the other ones did. Oh yeah, that's good. That's nice and dark. And it has like a berry, is like, I don't know, dark berry. That's pretty. I'm gonna go into the middle too. I mean, I'm gonna go in the inner and try to do a halo eye. That's pretty. All right, now I got that done. Let's see, I'm gonna go in. Wow, these are pretty. These are pretty shimmers. I think I'm gonna use these two at the bottom, Devotion and Starry. Devotion and Starry. Devotion first. It don't feel like it's gonna have any fallout, so I'm going to use my hands, my fingers. Devotion. Oh, I forgot I'm doing a halo eye. Forget that. Just gonna use Starry. That's not showing up enough. Let's put a Euphoria on there first. Then I'll go over it with Starry. These are easy to use shimmers. Don't look like they got any special shifts or anything. Just nice shimmers that lay on nicely, not glittery, and minimal fallout. That's that. All right, now I'm going to do the lower lash line. Going in with Haze. And then I'm going to use Starry right in the middle. No, Euphoria right in the middle down there. Or maybe just on the entire lash line like that. So this is the look so far. I'll be back to show you the finished look once I do my entire face. All right, y'all, I'm back with my finished eye look. My whole face has come together, and I have to say, I'm looking pretty good to just stay in the house all day. But yeah, I love the way this look came together using the Mystic Romance. Now, looking at this palette, there's no, I don't know if these two might be special shades, I don't know, but it's just a regular palette. The mattes are great, the shimmers are great that I use. I mean, there was no, the mattes had a little dust up in the pan, but now I don't see much fallout, and there was no fallout from the shimmers I used. Very nice. I can't wait to use this again. I'm probably gonna use this for my Valentine's Day. So yeah, it is so pretty. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below how you like this look and whether you pick this one up or the one from Beaute Bay, because they do remind me of each other. So yeah, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.